Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features available on this device. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Lastly, just click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!